ChatGPT isn't just a revolutionary AI tool, it's a money making powerhouse. With the right strategies, you can leverage it to create multiple income streams. Launch a digital product empire by creating ebooks, courses, or templates with ChatGPT's help. Sell repeatedly for ongoing income. Choose a profitable niche, use ChatGPT to draft and polish your content, and sell on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon. Build a profitable affiliate marketing business by promoting high-ticket products and creating persuasive blogs and posts. Join affiliate programs and produce compelling content with ChatGPT while leveraging SEO strategies to drive traffic. Offer freelance AI services. Position yourself as an expert in content creation or business automation. List your services on Upwork or Fiverr and use ChatGPT to deliver high-quality work efficiently with premium rates. Create a subscription-based business offering exclusive resources curated via ChatGPT. Charge a monthly fee of $20 to $50 and scale your audience to secure predictable income. Start an AI-powered blog generating SEO-optimized posts at scale and monetize through ads and affiliate links. Identify trending topics, post engaging content, and partner with brands for steady income. Develop a SaaS product utilizing ChatGPT to solve business problems like generating content or automating workflows. Identify a niche market, build a user-friendly product, and charge subscriptions for revenue. ChatGPT's versatility automates tasks, creates quality content, and streamlines processes, empowering you for big financial goals. Are you ready to make $50 in just 4 months? Start implementing these strategies today.